How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application from your device. And if you are logged into your specific Instagram account that you would like to transfer to another device, then log out of it. Tap on three bar icon on your top right corner, scroll all the way below, then tap on log out. Tap log out again. And just as you do so, you can simply go ahead and open up your new device. And the process is the same. Just open the Instagram again from that device as well. And here type in your username. Once done, type in your password at this password box, then tap login. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account in another device. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.